Do you want a cool blurred background in Divi without blurring your text or modules? Today, I'll show you how to do it using the parallax effect and some simple CSS. Let's get started. First, open Divi Builder and click the section settings. Go to Content, then Background, and upload your image. Adjust the height to 100 VH. Then, add a row and insert any module you need. Back to the row settings, go to Content, then Background, and upload your image. You can adjust the height to 80 VH for a better preview. It is time to make the background blurred. First, let's try the Divi built-in filter. You can blur the background using the blur filter, but filter apply blur to the entire section, including its content, which can be frustrating. To solve the problem, go back to the Content tab, then to Background Image. Enable the parallax effect. Choose CSS as the parallax method. Now we need to add a CSS class. Go to the Advanced tab and insert a CSS class name. After that, we need to add the CSS class. Please find the code and full tutorial on our website. Give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments or on social media. Thanks for watching.